A poor boy bought a broken clock for just $1. Everyone laughed at time, but 3 days later, a millionaire offers him a fortune for that same clock. What secret was hidden inside it? In a small town lived a poor boy named Ethan. His father had passed away years ago, and his mother worked long hours saving clothes just to buy food. Even thought life was difficult, Ethan had own big dream. He wanted to become a great engineer one day. Every afternoon after school, he repaired old radios, fans, and broken toys that people threw away. One Saturday morning, while walking through a crowded flea market, something catched his attention. On an old wooden table lay a dusty, broken pocket watch. It was scratched, rusty, and completely silent. The shopkeeper lurched and said, "Nobody wants the useless thing. If you want it, take it for just $1." Ethan smiled. He spent his last $1 and took the watch home. When his neighbors saw it, they laughed. One man said, "You do not even have money for good food, and you are wasting it on broken junk." Another joked, "That watch belongs in the trash." But Ethan ignored every word. That night, under the dim light of a small lamp, he carefully opened the old watch. Hour after hour, he cleaned every tiny gear and every rusty spring. For 3 days, he barely slept. Finally, tick, 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 the watch started working again. Ethan could not stop smiling. But as he cleaned the inside one last time, he noticed something unusual hidden beneath one of the tiny metal plates was a small folded pieces of paper. His hands began to shake. He slowly unfolded it. His face suddenly turned pale. What was written on that mysterious paper, and why did it change everything? Ethan's hands trembled as he slowly unfolded the tiny piece of paper. It was not an ordinary note, it was an old handwritten message that read, "If you have found this watch you are holding, the greatest treasures of my family, please return it to the Harrison estate." Below the message was an old address and a strange symbol Ethan had never seen before. He stared at the note in silence. Could this really be true? He whispered. The next morning, Ethan searched for the address online. To his surprise, it belonged to one of the richest families in the country. His heart started beating faster. People around him laughed again. One neighbor said, "Do not be foolish. Rich people do not know someone like you even exists." But Ethan trusted his heart. He cleaned the watch one last time carefully, placed it in a small box, and boarded the first bus to the city. After hours of traveling, he finally stood in front of a huge mansion, tall iron gates, luxury cars, security guards everywhere. Ethan took a deep breath and walked towards the entrance. The guards looked at his old clothes and stopped his immediately. One of them said, "This place is not for people like you. Leave now." Ethan quietly held out the old watch. The guard looked at it. His expression suddenly changed. He immediately picked up his radio and said, "Sir, I think we are found it within." The gate slowly opened. Everyone around Ethan stared in complete shock. Why did the rich family react this way? Who was waiting for Ethan inside the mansion? Do not miss part 3. Ethan entered the mansion and handed the old watch to the family. The elderly owner smiled with tears in his eyes and said, "This watch belonged to my father. We searched for it for more than 30 years. Instead of paying only for the watch, The family offers Ethan a full engineering scholarship and a job in their company. Years later, Ethan became a successful engineer and always said, "Never ignore small opportunities, they may hide the biggest blessing." Moral: honesty, patience, and hard work can turn even the smallest opportunities into a life changing success.